Hi, this is Regitze. Should you turn your ads on or off during Christmas? And when I say during Christmas, I mean right around Christmas. So from Christmas Eve until New Year's Eve or so. So that week there when people already finish buying their Christmas presents and so. Well, it depends, obviously. If your business is thriving and you're having lots of sales still, then of course you shouldn't turn it off, even though it is more expensive to advertise around Christmas because there's a lot more advertisers, so there's more competition, but there's also more demand. But the prices of the ads they are higher anyway. Facebook has increased the prices around Christmas. But if you can't deliver your product, for instance, if you're closed or something in your distribution system is closed and you can't deliver around that time, then you should turn off your ads, of course. It doesn't make sense to run ads and people can buy it and they can't get it delivered. That's just gonna give you mad customers. And it's also doesn't make sense to waste a week of ad spend. Even if you know that your ads are going to go back into the learning phase when you turn them back on after you turn them off, but it's not worth it to waste a week of ad spend just to avoid the learning phase. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe with your friends, and click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. And also please join our free Facebook group, Successful Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. And if you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in getting leads and clients for coaches and consultants with Facebook and Instagram ads. You can book a call with me or my team. There's a link in the description. Take care. Bye.